Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
So far, there's been no official word about whether Loughlin might be welcomed back to the Hallmark Channel series. But in a September 2020 appearance on the Hardee's Hotline podcast, executive producer Brian Bird explained that when Calls the Heart had to remove Loughlin from the show or risk being cancelled. 26 February 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
After extending its hiatus to evaluate all creative options regarding Loughlin's character, When Calls the Heart returned in May 2019. During the episode, it was revealed by Elizabeth Aaron Krakow that Abigail left the town to help her sick mom. "We are a community, we are strong, we are Hope Valley." The 21st of February 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.